Hello, I'm Mihela. Today we talk about a bird you may mistaken for another bird but has small differences. The common greenshank. The common greenshank is a wader. Gentle-eyed large wader with a slightly upturned bill. This is a subarctic bird, breeds across northern Europe and Asia, migrates and wintering birds in Africa, southern Asia and Australia, occurred in varied wetland habitats. Note overall greyish plumage with white belly and greenish legs. In flight appears dark above with a broad white stripe up the middle of the back, slightly larger and lankier than common red shank. Usually seen as singles or small groups. Feeds mainly by striding in water, picking and sweeping with its bill. Their calls are like locally named podu, palapa, silibilla. I have not seen the common greenshank, but it can be seen all across Sri Lankan coasts. Did you know that Sri Lanka is a wonderful place to learn surfing, and there are many beaches with instructors who will teach you how to surf. If you ever visit the southern coast, don't forget to get this experience. It is amazing.